After managing hundreds of Telegram accounts, I've learned exactly what works. The latest Telegram update specifically targets people doing IP rotation strategy with multiple accounts. They've invested heavily in detection technology, and basic protection methods no longer work. The technology behind this is called browser fingerprint spoofing. It replaces your real device data with synthetic but realistic values that Telegram accepts as genuine. Match your proxy time zone to your browser profile time zone. This consistency is crucial. If your IP says you're in New York but your browser says Tokyo, that's a red flag. Set up role-based access so team members can only modify profiles assigned to them. This prevents accidental changes that could compromise account safety. Your competitive advantage multiplies immediately. While others lose accounts and start over, you keep building and growing consistently. Start protecting your Telegram accounts in the next 5 minutes.